Hello, my name is Oliver from the Exhibit support team, and in this video we will go over all features in the Exhibit app. After starting the app, you will be presented with two options. You can either quickly join a room via the first input field, or you can log into your account and start from here. Once you filled in your account credentials, don't forget to check the Remember Me option for your convenience. Then tap the Login button and you will see an overview of all rooms available in your account. Tap on the desired room and the room code will be filled in automatically. Additionally, you can choose to see the quick manual on startup by tapping the checkbox. Once you're ready to go, tap the Join button. Exhibit will now download all models assigned to your room. Once the download is finished, the front camera of your device will turn on and you join the room. As you can see here, we have the Quick Start manual up and we can swipe through the pages of the manual. Tap the Close button to get rid of it. The camera starts to detect all surfaces around you and depicts a detected surface with a white square symbol. To place your first model, simply tap on the screen and the model will be placed at the point where the white square is located. Once the model is placed, you can freely move around the model and look at it from different angles as you like. There are two sidebar menus which are accessible by swiping over your display. The model list is accessed by swiping right. There are two models assigned to the room, and to change the model, simply tap on the desired model and it changes. The other sidebar menu shows all participants currently live in the room. We will explore more options of this menu later in the video. At the bottom, you will see three different buttons. The button in the middle will activate the rotation and scaling features. Once activated, indicated by the blue color, you can scale the model to your liking. This won't affect the size of the model for other participants in the room. The rotation feature, on the other hand, will rotate the model for you as well as for all other users present in the room. Finally, at the top you have the option to replace the AR positioning of your model. The button on the left will allow you to assign and place animation buttons on your model. Activate the feature so it is highlighted in blue and tap somewhere on your model to open the animation menu. Here you can choose an icon, the color of the button, and choose the desired animation from the list. Finally, you can also choose to loop the animation if desired. Tap the Save button to close the menu and your new animation button will be visible. To start the animation, tap on the left button again, so it is not longer highlighted, and finally tap the New Place button to start the animation. You can also move already placed buttons. To do so, activate the animation features again and tap the button you want to move. The animation menu will open up, and by tapping on the Move button, you can now tap on a different location on your model and the button will be placed there. The next feature is the Post-it function. It works similar to the animation feature. To place a post-it, activate the right button and tap on a location on your model. You can input your notes here, and once you're finished, tap the Save button. You can move, change, and delete your post-its by tapping on them. Now back to the right sidebar. On the bottom of the sidebar, you will find one button on the left to mute yourself during the call, and the button on the right to leave the room. Most of the features shown in this video are only available for the leader, indicated by the small star icon. The current leader is marked in the right sidebar. To transfer the leadership, simply tap on the user you want to become the new leader of the call. Once the leadership is transferred, only the scaling feature is available. And this rounds up our overview of all the features in Exhibit. Please contact our support team for further information. Thanks for watching and have a good one.